a study room with a bed. This is what it looks like before. Recently, I shifted my room furniture around to create a more productive workspace. First up is my productive workspace. For my workspace, my computer goes here, links to a monitor, and a keyboard below it. To my right, I have my calendar, which I rarely look at, and my timer. And those are my plants. I've always wanted plants on my desk, but since I don't like clutter, I finally found the perfect solution, putting them on the windowsill. Next to the plants go my daily to-do list, which is actually right next to my chair, and so is my desk drawer. This makes everything easily accessible. The first drawer stores my stationeries, the second one with some tech stuff, and the last one with some art supplies. Overall, I think this new productive workspace is much smoother than before and gives me a brighter setup to film in. Psychologically, humans adapt to certain behaviors at certain places. The major reason I shifted my bedroom setup is because I want to separate my workspace with my break area. Since I like having a larger screen when I'm watching YouTube, I simply angle my monitor towards me when I sit at the edge of my bed while resting. My wall shelf is a storage space of sorts. The first floor of my wall shelf are books. There goes my school notebooks. And above are some childhood toys and a DIY house that I made. To the right goes a DIY bag that I made and my school folder. The two notebook holders just represent my day 1 courses and my day 2 courses that rotates every other day. My room does not have much storage space, so I have to turn practical items into shelf decorations. For my daily planner and reading book, I put them in a box behind my computer. Despite using practical items as decoration, I do have a decoration shelf. The top floor is a journal and a decorative perfume. Something I love about having big decorations is that you can hide practical items, like essential oil, behind them. Below is just a Chinese book, my oracle cards, and my childhood toys that somehow look aesthetic. The bottom floor has nothing but a box. FYI, I have a secret box obsession. Next to my decoration shelf hides my school backpack while I'm working at my desk. One of my favorite part of the room after shifting around my furniture is my transformative nightstand. At night, my nightstand is my journaling area. I love journaling because I can rant to someone, something forever, and they will not be bothered. I actually started journaling because I had to practice my English after transferring from a Chinese school. During the day, my night shelf is the storage of many. I set up my contact lenses and skincare products here. In the mornings, I also use this part of my windowsill to tie my hair. Beside my nightstand goes my bed. There are my pajamas, my favorite stuffed toys, this is a fox and that's a hamster, and my alarm clock. At night, my to-do list goes here because I need to pull my blinds down. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the button down below for my future videos.